is my second video of my YouTube channel, and I hope you all will be getting a great fun from it. And now I will start my second lecture, second video of my this YouTube channel. And so first of all, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe it. So and click the bell icon so you can get all the notification first. And now we should start the video. Okay, just come on. As I said, it is my first lecture of this YouTube. So we will just start the main topic of this chapter, because I can give you the lecture about this whole chapter. So the main topic of this first chapter, introduction to biology, is the levels of organization. So should we start? Yes, of course. In order to understand the various phenomena of life, biologists study biological organization at different levels, which are as follows. And this statement means that in order to understand the various phenomena of life, there are many phenomena of life, as we all know. So the biologists have to study all the phenomena, and all the phenomena have some organization and levels which the biologists have to study, which are as follows. So the first organization and level of this phenomena of life is the subatomic and atomic level. In this subatomic and atomic level, all type of matter are made up of elements, and each element contains a single kind of atom. So this statement also meant that all type of matters, we are also a matter, and every matter which every subject at your homes are a matter, and every we all know that every matter is made up of elements, and each element have each element have its single kind of atom. And the atom is actually made up of subatomic particles. The atoms are contained in elements, and each atoms are then made up of subatomic particles. So the most stable subatomic particles are electrons, protons, and neutrons. So this we have to just keep in mind that stable subatomic particles, there are subatomic particles which are made up of which atoms is made up of, and each subatomic particles are then the most stable, the most good, the most stable particles of subatomic particles are electrons, protons, and neutrons. And this is just the introduction of the molecular level. And now we'll start out of 92 kinds of elements that occur in nature. In nature, there are 92 kinds of elements. 92 kinds of elements. Out of these 92 kinds of elements, there are 16 elements which are bioelements. From these 16 elements, all of the plants, all of the organisms, all of the humans, everyone is made up of. And from these bioelements, every organism is made, because that's why these elements are known as bioelements, and the others do not make the mass of the organism. These 16 elements, not 92. Out of 92, 16 are bioelements, and these 16 bioelements make the body mass of all the living organisms. And out of these bioelements, there are first of all, we studied that 92 kind of elements. Out of 92 kind of elements, there are 16 bioelements, and 16 bioelements make the body mass. We studied that. And then out of these 16 bioelements, there are 6 elements which make the 99% of total mass, as it is there is written below. And out of this 16 bioelements, there are 6 bioelements which makes the 99% of body mass. And 99%, there is left 1%, and the other 16 bioelements, 6 is minus, and then 10 are left. And out of this 10 just collectively make 1% of the total mass. Now we should come down. We just studied that there are 6 elements make 99% of total mass, and there is given below, there is given the graph, and we can say pie chart about these six elements which make total 99% of total mass. And these 16 elements are just in book given in just total mass 99%, and there is book has made a pie chart. Out of 16 there are 6 bioelements which make total mass. The six are oxygen, which makes 65% of mass, and the other is carbon and 10% hydrogen. How much it done? 65, 18 and 10. Then nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so and 6. So as we said, the 16 bioelements make the total mass of a body. So it is one the oxygen, one is carbon, one is hydrogen, one is nitrogen, and one is calcium, and one is phosphorus. And we studied that the other 10, which is known as others, and the others make 1%. As we read it, the other makes 1%. Now we have studied the